Hiya folks, it's Chris in Arena Studio Land. Hope you're all well. Hashtag Arena Studio Crew. Welcome to episode 2 of the songwriting course that I'm running for you all. It's brilliant to have you all on board and it's definitely going to improve all your song structures. We're going to be talking about lyrics, cadences, ending, etc. as we go through. Song structure on where you put your verses and your bridges and how many bars and beats, etc. So we're going to discuss all those very important bits of building your own song very soon. The thing that we're going to talk about today is, if you remember in episode 1 we discussed the harmonisation of the diatonic scale. We were in the key of C major and we now know how to build all those chords, which you should see about there now, showing you the chord shapes for the guitar there, and you should be able to play all those chord shapes before we can go any further really on this, because you're going to utilise all those chords at some point or other as we go through all your songs and we create these songs together. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to talk about is the major scale. So because we're in the key of C major, as you're aware now, all those chords we built from the C major scale, okay? And we give these chords a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Normally in Roman numerals we do this, but we're not going to bother too much about that today. What we're going to look at is a little formula again. Remember we talked about the chords, which was major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminished, okay?